Okay, so we have our front. Now we're going to look at either the top or right. So whatever you prefer. I will just go ahead and do the top. So we want to pretend that we were looking straight down through this imaginary plane right here. So if you look down, let's see what we're going to be able to see and label that. So if I look down the very top, we're going to see 1, 2, 3, 4 faces. All right, and then we actually won't have any hidden lines because we'll see this cutout and this cutout. So let's go ahead and box this in, and then we'll kind of take away to figure out where all that is. So here's my front. Let me just hold this up for you. Here's my front. Now I'm going to just skip a box or two away from this. So I'll skip 2. And then this will be the corner that I used to draw my top view in. Now we already have our width right here. And remember, the width transfers up along the top view. So let's just go ahead and transfer that up. Just like that. So we know where it begins. Now we need to figure out where it ends. So we're going to find our depth. So how far back it goes. So let's count from this corner and go back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 blocks for our depth, so we go back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and come straight over. So now we've boxed in our top view. Okay, let's focus on this very first face right here. So if I look here, it's only going to have a block for its depth, and it goes over 2. So I'm going to come in 1 and over 2, and there's face 1. And then I know 2 and 3 are in line with that, so I'm just going to bring this line over. So now let's count 2. So 2 is 1, 2, 3 blocks over, so 1, 2, 3. We're going to draw a line. So that gives me face 1, 2, and 3 right there. Next is 4, and 4 consists of this cutaway. So let's go over here to this corner and figure out this depth and this depth so we know how much we need to cut in. So it actually looks like this is 1 block right here, and this is 2. So it looks like this line hits maybe around the 1.5 area. So I'm going to go 1.5 and then just put a line right there, and then same on this other side because I know they're even. So you go 1.5, just like that. We can erase this part because we know that it cuts all the way through, so there won't be an edge right there. That's just going to be open area. So let's see how far back it goes now. And we actually don't need to count because we already figured that out in the front view. So we can just bring this hidden line up slightly, just like this. And then just come straight back to line up with that. Make it a little darker. And now we have our top view.